do unboxing. Here we go again. Unboxing. Okay. Um, I ordered this thing online, which is very in demand at the moment in Australia because of the very cold winter, and everyone, like, maybe majority is crazy to have this item. So I was trying to avoid looking at this product and any social media platform so I won't get tempted to buy. But ouch, wait, parang sumasakit yung dibdib ko. What was that? That was weird. I got a stitch. Give me a second. Ba't huminga, guys? Ba't ganun? I couldn't put my breath in. Parang may humaharang dito banda. May naipit yata na ugat. Oh my god, what was that? That was weird. I think I'm very excited for my item to see what I won. So I decided to go. Kasi it's end of financial year, so it's not bad. Meron talagang humaharang. Something is blocking, guys, my breath. Actually, this is not the first time happened to me. It happens before many times already. I don't know what this is. It's just something is. Okay, wala na. Parang something like it's painful here. It's blocking my breath when I breathe in. That was weird. That was scary. I think I have to have myself check. Is it? It was painful, but I'm pretty sure it was just a stitch. There's something we call stitch that is just hurt and blocking you. The air is being trapped there. Nothing serious. So we're good. Okay, let's get back to what is the purpose for this video is to do unboxing. So I got the item today. It was just left in front of my door. It was properly sealed anyway. Although the day it was raining hard today, but it didn't go. I'm pretty sure we'll see how it goes. So we have this one. I think this is the buy one take one, and then there was one offer when I was about to check out, like very reasonable price anyway. So I'm going to open first this one. I'm excited. Okay, puro tayo unboxing ngayon. Puro gastos. But it's too good. Sometimes life is about buying what you want. And of course, mostly what you need. Thanks God for the blessings though. So parang may nakita akong bug. Bug. What was it? Okay. Let's open this. Lucky iniwan lang to sa front door. Hindi dinala sa post office. Tapos nakakapagod. Nakakatamad ko minsan ng post office. So, let's see. So, bali tatlong item lang to siya. Buy one, take one plus the other one. Easy. Oh, medyo. What is this? So, may basa sa iya. Welcome to a world of comfort. Welcome to a world of comfort. Can you see? And there's the other one as well. Buy one, take one, and this one says, I have a feeling we're going to become best friends. Look at that smiley. I have a feeling we're going to become best friends. I don't know, there's something in the back. Going to become best friends. Same thing. let's open this one first. It's buy one take one, guys. End of financial year. Whew, what was that? Stitch. I got a stitch. That was alarming. Okay. Actually, it's a bit late now here, guys. It's nearly 11 o'clock, but I can't sleep without opening and seeing this item, though. I need to see them. Oh, this is actually... I'm gonna leave it for later. I'll open this first because that one is not for me. I bought it for my... But this is for me. You have idea now, guys. I'm not sure if it's available or if this thing is a thing in other parts of the world other than Australia. But oh my god, this is actually really soft. It's so cuddly, guys. I love it. I'm so happy though. Let's see. Ang ganda ng packaging. Let's open. Let's make it quick. Hirap naman, tinatali ng ganyan. This is my Oodie. It's an Oodie, guy. It's an oversized hoodie. Avocado. And it's actually really, really soft. And oh my goodness. So cuddly. It is really true. Alright. This is so nice. Oh, I wanna wear it, but I need to wash it first. Actually, I bought one hoodie from in a supermarket. It was actually way cheap than this, but of course the quality is different. It was actually also good. I think you saw in one on my unboxing. I wore it. It was pink one and it's cute also, and I washed it. And this one is, oh my gosh, really good. How's that? So cute. Oh my god, guys. It's so nice and really soft. So buy one, take one. This one is avocado Oodie. Oodie. This is Oodie madness. Ooh. Okay. And I'm going to open the other one. Make it quick. The other one is plants. If this one's Oodie, let's see. Show you how it's looking. It's actually really soft, guys. It's actually really nice quality, like the one they're saying in the ads that everybody loves to have it. Oh, this is so good. Warm, warm, warm. My mom will laugh at me with this kind of thing. She's like, hi, Oodie, Oodie. This one is also Oodie, but it's a plant. So I don't think I just opened it. Never mind. I'm not gonna open this one, but it's all the same. And it's good. I'm planning to give this to my husband. And the other one is Star Wars Oodie. I'm not too sure if it's a child one or the size, but it could be. Okay, let's open this one. The plant is pretty much the same. I hope you guys are hearing my video. Buy one, take one Oodie plus one promo. They offer me in the last minute. Um, it's actually not too bad. The smell is different, but it's actually also really soft. It's a Star Wars, guys. Mostly parang pambata siya. Pero, hmm, my son will love this one. The smell is a bit strong. It's the factory smell. This one's really need a wash. Very strong. But this one's avocado is not too bad. Actually, I want to open the plants, Oodie. Let's open it. Look at that, guys. Oodie madness. Look at this. I also like plants. I love plants. I like plants, guys. But actually, this is a really good investment. Like, very nice and soft. So, that's all for today, guys. I'm just so happy and satisfied, and I don't regret why I ordered this Oodie. Buy one take one, which is only okay. I'm not gonna tell you the price, but it's not that expensive. Other than it wasn't on sale. So thank you for watching, and I'm going to sleep with my Oodie even if I didn't wash it. Uh oh, bye.